Welcome. Today, I will guide you through making Korean green onion kimchi, a flavorful and tangy dish perfect as a side or condiment. Get ready to dive into the world of Korean cuisine and enjoy the delicious results of your homemade kimchi. Let's explore the key ingredients for our Korean green onion kimchi recipe. First, we have fresh green onions, vibrant and crisp, providing a fresh and slightly pungent flavor to our kimchi. Next, we add Korean red pepper flakes, known as gochugaru, which lend a distinct spicy kick and vibrant red color to our kimchi. Garlic, minced finely, adds its bold and aromatic flavor profile, enhancing the overall depth of taste in our kimchi. Grated ginger contributes a subtle warmth and zing, complementing the other flavors in the dish beautifully. For added depth of flavor, we have fish sauce, an optional ingredient that provides a savory umami richness to the kimchi. Soy sauce lends a savory saltiness, balancing the flavors and adding complexity to our kimchi. A touch of sugar helps to balance out the spiciness and acidity, while also promoting fermentation. Salt is essential for seasoning and also helps to draw out moisture from the green onions during the fermentation process. Sesame seeds, when added, offer a nutty crunch and a hint of sesame flavor, enhancing the texture and taste of our kimchi. And finally, sesame oil adds a rich and toasty aroma, enriching the overall flavor profile of our Korean green onion kimchi. With these carefully selected ingredients, we're ready to create a delicious batch of homemade kimchi bursting with flavor and tradition. Let's dive into the first step of our Korean green onion kimchi recipe, preparing the green onions. Start by rinsing the green onions under cold water, ensuring to remove any dirt or debris clinging to the stalks. Next, trim off the root ends of the green onions. You have the option to use them as whole stalks for a more rustic presentation, or to cut them into 2-inch lengths for easier handling and serving. If you encounter green onions with thick white parts, consider slicing them in half lengthwise. This helps to ensure even flavor distribution and a more balanced texture in the final dish. By following these steps, you'll have clean and well-prepared green onions, ready to be transformed into delicious Korean green onion kimchi. Now, let's move on to the next step, making the seasoning paste for our Korean green onion kimchi. In a mixing bowl, gather together the key ingredients: Korean red pepper flakes, minced garlic, grated ginger, and fish sauce if you've chosen to include it for an extra depth of flavor. Add soy sauce, sugar, and salt to balance the flavors, ensuring a harmonious blend of savory, sweet, and salty notes. If desired, incorporate sesame seeds for a nutty crunch and sesame oil for its rich, toasty aroma. Once all the ingredients are assembled, mix them together thoroughly, ensuring that every element is evenly distributed throughout the paste. As you mix, take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and fragrant aromas coming together, promising a delightful burst of flavor in every bite of our kimchi. By creating this well-balanced seasoning paste, we're setting the stage for a truly delicious and authentic Korean green onion kimchi experience. Now that our seasoning paste is ready, it's time to coat our prepared green onions and infuse them with all that delicious flavor. Begin by placing the green onion pieces into a large bowl, creating a cozy nest for them to soak up the flavorful paste. With clean hands or gloves, gently massage the seasoning paste onto the green onions, ensuring that each piece is thoroughly coated. Feel the textures melding together as the smooth paste envelopes the crisp green onions, promising a symphony of flavors with every bite. Take your time to ensure that each green onion is evenly coated, allowing the flavors to penetrate every layer for a harmonious and delicious end result. As you work, visualize the transformation taking place, as simple green onions are elevated to a vibrant and flavorful dish that celebrates the essence of Korean cuisine. By coating our green onions with this aromatic seasoning paste, we're laying the foundation for a mouth-watering batch of Korean green onion kimchi that's sure to delight the senses. Now that our green onions are coated with the flavorful seasoning paste, it's time to pack them into a container for fermentation. Select a clean, airtight container that will comfortably accommodate all of the seasoned green onions. Carefully transfer the seasoned green onions into the container, ensuring to pack them in tightly to prevent any air pockets from forming. Press down firmly as you pack them in, using gentle pressure to compact the green onions and encourage them to release their juices. By removing any air pockets and ensuring a snug fit, we create the ideal environment for fermentation to take place, allowing the flavors to develop and deepen over time. As you pack the green onions into the container, envision the transformation that will occur as they undergo the fermentation process, becoming even more flavorful and delicious with each passing day. With the green onions snugly packed away in their container, we're one step closer to enjoying a batch of homemade Korean green onion kimchi that's bursting with flavor and tradition. Now that our seasoned green onions are snugly packed away, it's time to let nature work its magic through the process of fermentation. Leave the container of green onion kimchi at room temperature, allowing it to ferment for approximately 1 to 2 days. During this time, the natural bacteria present in the ingredients will begin to ferment the sugars, transforming the flavors and textures of our kimchi. As fermentation progresses, you may notice bubbles forming in the container. This is a positive sign, indicating that the fermentation process is underway. These bubbles are a visual confirmation that the beneficial bacteria are actively working to develop the complex flavors and tanginess characteristic of traditional Korean kimchi. Embrace the excitement of watching your homemade kimchi come to life as it undergoes this natural transformation. Throughout the fermentation period, keep an eye on the kimchi, checking for signs of progress and adjusting the fermentation time as needed based on your taste preferences. By allowing our green onion kimchi to ferment, we're unlocking layers of flavor and complexity, resulting in a final product that's both delicious and nutritious. With patience and anticipation, we eagerly await the moment when our Korean green onion kimchi is ready to be enjoyed. As our green onion kimchi completes its fermentation journey, it's time to transition to the final step, refrigeration. Once the kimchi has reached the desired level of fermentation, typically indicated by a slightly sour taste and the development of complex flavors, it's ready to be transferred to the refrigerator. Refrigeration not only helps to slow down the fermentation process, but also allows the flavors to mellow and meld together over time. Carefully transfer the container of green onion kimchi to the refrigerator, ensuring that it's tightly sealed to preserve its freshness and flavor. By refrigerating our kimchi, we extend its shelf life and create the perfect conditions for long-term storage, ensuring that we can enjoy its delicious taste for days to come. As the kimchi continues to chill in the refrigerator, its flavors will continue to evolve and deepen, resulting in a final product that's even more flavorful and delicious than before. With our green onion kimchi safely tucked away in the refrigerator, we can look forward to enjoying its tangy goodness as a delightful accompaniment to our favorite Korean dishes. Now, let's explore some helpful tips to ensure your Korean green onion kimchi turns out perfectly every time. First, adjust the spiciness to your liking by tweaking the amount of Korean red pepper flakes, known as gochugaru. Add more for a fiery kick or reduce for a milder flavor that's more suitable to your taste buds. Next, keep in mind that fermentation time can vary depending on factors like room temperature and personal preference. Taste your kimchi after about a day to gauge its level of sourness and adjust the fermentation time accordingly. When it comes to storage, green onion kimchi can be kept in the refrigerator for several weeks. As it ages, the flavors will continue to develop and mellow, enhancing its complexity and depth. And finally, remember to serve your green onion kimchi cold. It's best enjoyed as a refreshing side dish or condiment alongside rice, meat, or other Korean dishes. The cool temperature enhances its flavors and makes it a delightful accompaniment to any meal. By keeping these tips in mind, you'll be able to create a batch of homemade Korean green onion kimchi that's bursting with flavor and authenticity, ready to impress your family and friends with its delicious taste. Enjoy your homemade Korean green onion kimchi.